wabarakatuh. Okay, first of all, let's introduce myself. My name is Aziza Mutaharatul Jannah. My student ID number is 20400124028. And I'm here for explain my answer the assessment 1, phonetic and phonology. Communication is the process of conveying and receiving information between individuals or groups. Can be done verbally using language or non-verbally gesture, facial expression, symbols, and each other. And language is a communication tool. Language is a system of sound symbols produced by the human speech organs. Language is a collection of words that have meaning and so on, while linguistics that science that studies language specifically, including the structure, function, evolution, and use the security. Branches of linguistics include the phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax, semantic, pragmatic, and sociology. But are closely related, language is a communication tool. Language transacted and the main tool is communication process in every communication interaction. Language is used to convey message from the sender or recipient. Without language, communication will be difficult. Linguistic study in communication. Linguistics help understand how language is used in communication. By studying the structure and function of language, linguistics and provide insight into how people interact and convey meaning in different social contexts. Referring to the first question, phonetics and phonology are included in the field and linguistics, which is the science that studies language scientifically. Because phonetics is a branch of linguistics that studies the sound of the language in terms of production, transmission, and propagation. This includes the physical analysis of the sound produced when speaking. Phonology focuses on the sound function in language in several languages and how they are organized. The language system. Phonology emphasizes the functional aspect pattern of sound in communication. Thus, phonetics and phonology are integral parts of linguistics that support the process of communication, both verbal and non-verbal. In fact, phonetic, phonology, and pronunciation are different things. Therefore, an example of the difference between phonetics, phonology, and pronunciation must be conveyed so that learners do not have mistaken appropriation of the terms. Phonetic provides as basic of understanding how sound are produced and received, while phonology explains how the sound function as communication. In other words, phonetics can be seen as the study of what of sound, while phonology is the why and how of sound used in a linguistic context. Phonetics and phonology are two important branches of linguistics, which as well studies aspect of sound in language. Particularly phonetics, studying how sound are produced by the human speech organ, such as the lips, tongue, and throat. Excessive phonetics, studying the physical properties of the sound produced, including frequency, intensity, and duration. Auditory phonetics, examining how sound are received and processed by the listener. Phonology, on the other hand, is a branch of linguistics that study the sound of language as the context of their function and differentiation of meaning. Phoneme, the small unit of the sound that can be distinguished meaning A, H, P, and B, and first body and body. Upon evaluation of phoneme that does not change the meaning A, H, the sound, and PH in 3. Syllable structure, how sound are received or word. So phonetics and phonology are integral parts of linguistic studies that help us understand the structure and function of language through in-depth analysis of sound.
Okay, so phonetics is a branch linguistic that studies the sound of language in terms of physical and articulation. Phonetics focus on how sounds are produced by the human vocal tract, how they are transmitted the air, and how they are received and processed the listening phonetic. Phonology and pronunciation are different things. Therefore, an example explanation of the difference between phonetic phonology and pronunciation must be conveyed so that learners do not have the wrong perception of the terms. As explained, phonetic and phonology are branches of science specifically study sound in language. On the other hand, pronunciation is one of the language skills. Phonetic and pronunciation are related because pronunciation is a practical application of the theories in phonetics. Understanding how sounds are produced is essential developing good pronunciation skill. For example, someone who studies phonetics will be better able in identifying pronunciation errors and correct them based on the understanding of how sounds should be produced and received. Understanding phonology without having in-depth knowledge of phonetics. In other words, phonetics fits phonology with types of speech sound to make it alive and exploring their relationship and pattern sound in English. Therefore, it is also said that pronunciation is phonology in action. Pronunciation or linguistic terms often referred as pronunciation is the way a person or group of people in language community pronounces and sound of a language. It affects the clarity and meaning of speech, including the one is articulation. This is the way speech organs such as the tongue, lips, and teeth move produce language. Sound. The second is intonation. The rise and fall of the tone of voice in pronunciation word of sentence which an affect meaning. The third is stress. Impression certain several words in the utter which give different nouns at the sentence. And the fourth is duration. The length of the pronunciation of sound syllable or word is also effect of speech. The sixth is pause. A short stop in a flow of speech helps define sentence in meaningful unit. Therefore, both are important because understanding phonology is very important for improving pronunciation skill because phonology produces a theoretical framework understanding how sound function in language. The implications of phonetics and phonology for teaching English pronunciation are significant, especially in improving students' ability to speak and understanding the language. Here are the detailed explanation of the application. Phonetics in teaching pronunciation. The importance of phonetics. Phonetics is the study of the production, transmission, and perception of sound in a language. In the context of teaching English, understanding phonetics helps students recognize and produce the correct sound. For example, English has about 44 sounds. Phonetics even though it only consists of 60 letters. That shows that there is no one-to-one relationship between the writing system and pronunciation. Phonology in teaching pronunciation.